thing. What's weird? Ah, looking nice, looking nice. Alright. Dress good. What weird? Wonder if me I overdress though. Then I just airport me I go. Them lucky me not bet no foreigner outdo me. Them lucky at me. The next thing me have to go do is work on my language. Alright. Hi Dreddy. How you doing? No, something like that. Hi Dreddy. How you doing? Oh, that sounds too much, you know. Alright. Me gonna just walk up to him, walk on wine and say, Dreddy, do you love my hair? Oh? Do you love my shape? But then see me shape on my hair already. Oh, well, used to that way. Dreddy, do I look good? Oh, yeah. Backside. One of them must work. I don't care. I don't know the thing set already. I bring in my suitcase, I know some can't bother darling neighbor them. As them say, you don't look a suitcase I want unusual bag, them want something. Then why you carry for me? What my soap? What my sweet today? Something. Anyway. I want to have the taxi man ready. Airport, I